Hi everybody, we've got something really special for you today. We're going to Ayutthaya and we're going for a boat ride around the island of Ayutthaya. That's right, Ayutthaya is actually an island, and we've taken a small boat ride all the way around, but we're doing it at sunset when the sun is coming down. The scenes are beautiful, you see the temples in the background, it's amazing. Once in my life I'm going to do what everybody tells me to do, and that's shut up. So I really hope you enjoy the video. Well, there you are. We've had a great trip on the river there with our little boat. We hired the smaller boat rather than the bigger one, and we think we enjoyed that much better than enjoying other people on their, with their meal. We had just a boat to ourselves, really, which was quite nice. Afterwards, though, we've come to this restaurant here. You can see it's really quite nice. We had a lovely meal, and we enjoyed it very, very much. So this is me signing off on this video, saying bye-bye for now, and see you again soon. My name is Swin, and please give me a like. And don't forget, if you give me a like, I will like you back lots. Okay? Bye-bye for now.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road.